Here's the how to do a ringtone. You can download different apps and stuff like to do ringtones, but I just found a ringtone on the internet because I think that's what you said you had done. But pretty straightforward. Just plug. Hold on. Just plug your phone in like you're gonna charge it. And then just plug it into the USB on the computer. And then on the phone, usually it gives you an option of some sort, like install programs. I don't do that. I just cancel out, and then usually it's something like media sync. So I just did that. Make sure that the phone is basically like a hard drive. So just leave it. And then this pops up on the screen. Just go to open, oops. Just go to open device to show files. And then you see all this, you click on that. And then there's like a million files usually. You have to find the one that has the ringtones in it. Oh, and there it is right there. It says ringtones. Except that's not where all my ringtones are. So a lot of it is just kind of looking around. Media maybe, audio, notification, nope. Let me see here. Of course, none of the folders are labeled properly. I'm looking at like random ones, like I don't even know what that is. Nope. Clipboard. Well, you know what? Let's just try putting it in the ringtones folder. So I downloaded this. It's a War Sounds. Anyway, so I'm just dragging it into the ringtone box. It says your device may not be able to play or view this file. Yes, do it anyway. It always says that for me. And then just close it out. And then maybe we'll be able to see it in here. Settings. And I'm sure you know how to do this part, but settings, phone ringtone, and then I'm sure it's not in here, but nope. These are all the ones that came in with the. Oh, there it is, way up on top. Hold on. There we go. And then, okay. Wow, that actually worked. I guess maybe it was only showing me the ones that were loaded by me, not the ones that are standard on the phone. So that just gives you an idea how to move files onto the phone. I just want to I'll email you this file, but I just typed in Huey helicopter ringtones what I type in, free Huey helicopter ringtones, and that came up. It was the second. Nope, wasn't the second one. It was the third one. You have to be careful because these ones, yeah, it's the third one down. Yeah, just have to be careful because there's all kinds of crap that comes up. Like, see, like this ad, download, listen now. That's an ad, and you got to make sure you're not clicking on an ad.